So this here is going to be a full recovery just using the Marco Polo. Now, see where I am here right now. Only thing I know, the drone went down somewhere over there. Somewhere. So this is what we're going to do. Take the Marco Polo. The tag's already on the quadcopter. I'm going to turn it on. Then you're going to hit, this is the number of tags. I only have one tag, so hit that one. Now it's starting to monitor. It's searching for the signal of the tag. So it beep once, it means it's figuring it out. So a 52% strength gives me the arrow direction to go to. So let's just walk this out here. So it beeps. 2 beeps let you know that you're kind of around the area. As you get closer to the object or to whatever has been tagged, it will go to 3 beeps. But right now, 53% strength. Right there. Sorry about the camera movement. Showing me the direction. I need to keep walking. See the signal strength? It's at 58% right now. So I'm just going to walk along this path here. I'll go off the path when I need to, if I need to, which I likely will a little bit. Still beeping. Wanted to do this to give you guys a full recovery, and not like splices of a video, which means somebody could easily just, put stuff together. So you can see the full walk. Still beeping, 52% now. Show me the direction over there to the left, over in that area, somewhere. Now at the Marco Polo, I think the kit comes with, you can buy it with 1 tag. It's also a dog tracker too, so I'm not sure if the company started off as being a dog tracker, then went to other things like drones as they became more of a valuable asset to recover and not lose, especially on flyaways. But the one I got comes with 1 tag. It's around $200, so it's a little up there. But from what I've read, I think it's one of the best trackers out there. It is a self-contained system, so it doesn't rely on GPS. You don't have to have a cellular network, anything like that. Satellites to work, which is nice because if you're in a remote location, what good is that going to do if you don't have any cell phone reception? So still beeping. That's showing off to the left there. So we're coming around the bend here on this trail. Keep walking. Now, the Vortex 230 does have a beeper on it, but I have disabled it because I do not want any type of audible thing helping me out here as I get closer. And I want the Marco Polo to do everything in finding the drone or the quad. So now we're walking down that path. Point of origin back there, the big tree. Here we go. It's at 71% strength. Now we have 2 beeps, or actually 3 beeps now. So that means it's fairly close to this area. I didn't really go out too far, but it seems to be like a blind spot over here. It seems to always like dumping if I'm not careful when I'm running these trails here on the quad, just practicing my FPV. But as we see here, got 97% strength, and it's showing the indicator. It's showing somewhere over in this region. Like I said, I'm not using the audible beep on the drone. So I'm thinking it has to be fairly close around here somewhere. See that? So it's showing somewhere over here and this fun mess of things here. Okay, so due to the fact that there's a bunch of junk out there, I'm gonna hit the beeper on the drone. Oh, actually you can see it right now. There it is. There's where she went down at. Marco Polo. 90 see, pointing directly towards the drone. In some bushes. Get my hands in there. These pricklies. There we go. There we go. 100% drone recovery. Marco Polo. Very nice system. Have any questions? Just ask in the comments.